Hey Rhythm Strummers, here's a really easy way to play this tune. I should've known better with a guy like you, that I would love everything that you do, and I do, hey, 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 and I do. Okay, here's a really cool strum pattern that works for a lot of songs. And you'll see our strum pattern diagram up here that we use at rhythmstrummer.com. It's got a series of down and up arrows which reflect the direction of your arm and pick on the guitar. And if you want an in-depth explanation of how our strum patterns work, you can check out our free lesson section on the site. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to play what's notated here, and then we'll play it along together. It's going to sound like this. Again. Join me, G, D, E minor. G, D, E minor. Again. And I think you can tell where that's going. So, and just to tie it in with the original tune, and I do, hey, 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 and I do. So come and visit us at rhythmstrummer.com. We'll be glad to see you.